back to your channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than probably any video I ever done here on this channel, I think. This is kind of a follow-up to the last classes that we had. Is that something in my hair? The last two classes that we had that were lengthy in length. But you guys enjoyed them. You let me know you took something from them. They were helpful to you guys. So I figured we would have like a little bonus class, if you will, but a little bit different. This time I'm going to take you kind of down memory lane of things that I've done in the past. I had to dig these pictures up from my Instagram and the other phone or whatnot. And so I want to kind of go over each photo that I'm going to show you. And in the photo, I want to kind of tell you and show you how you can basically do a lot of the things that we done in class 1 and 2 here in my apartment that I can only show you what I had here. But some of those pictures will reflect some of the things I was talking about, how you can make use of other items that were for something else and use them for another whole purpose and make them have a whole nother look. And hopefully you'll get something out of this as well. So if you will stay tuned, we'll jump right into the video. Hopefully it's not too god-awful long. I'm just going to kind of tap on something in each photo that kind of reflects back to our 2 classes. And again, I hope you take something from it. And I will see you guys in another video really, really soon. Hugs and kisses. Mwah! Everyone stay blessed. Stay positive. Stay prayed up. Don't let nobody dictate y'all mood, fam. Do something good for yourself. And always, always, always do something good for somebody else. Be careful when you do it. Because everybody ain't receiving no people doing good stuff for them. I done told y'all that. And I'll catch y'all guys in the next video. I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below if you do. And yeah, see y'all later. Okay, in this photo, I want to show you how I took a dresser and turned it into a TV console by just painting it white. Here again in the kitchen, another dresser that I painted a 2-tone color to use as a buffet while entertaining. Here I'm going for simplicity as well as a focal point wall here in my kitchen back at the house. These were my sectional days. And again, that coffee table was a thrift that I painted and used for my own use. This was the bedroom back at the house with the dark purple color that I have recently went back to here in my new place. Here's a faux fireplace that I built down in the basement area to create a focal point for that space. Here I'm using this piece that I'm using now in my bathroom. I used it in the foyer at the house as an entryway display. This is just a seating area that I built alongside the fireplace for extra seating when I was entertaining in the basement area. I just added this photo because I thought it was cute. No other reason. And again, I do love symmetry, as you can see. Here I created a focal point wall using simple Dollar Tree mirrors and just filled the wall up with them. Again, these were my sectional days. This was an area down in the basement area. And that color on the wall is peppercorn. This area was the first woman cave I created for myself down in the basement area. I then turned it into something else later. Yet again, another little office nook. I will place an office workspace anywhere I can find the space to do so. This was in the basement. Here I'm just using that buffet I created in the kitchen for entertaining that particular day. Double duty purposes. This was the foyer area. I turned that little chest into an entryway bar station for my guests as they entered in my home. These were the good old tablescape days. This was probably either a fall or Thanksgiving tablescape I put together to give you ideas. Here at the home, I used plum purple again, as well as tufted panels as a headboard for the focal point. Here's the $5 bar cart that I found at a thrift store. I added the shelf mirrored in the center and created a bar cart out of it. This was a winter Wonderland table scape that I put together using mainly Dollar Tree items and DIYs a couple years ago. Again, this is the kitchen, and I'm pretty much trying to show you the island that I built in the center of the kitchen to take up space and practical use. I think there's a better view of that coffee table that I actually purchased on OfferUp, and I added Dollar Tree mirrors in the spaces on it. Here's another shot of that $5 bar cart I created with items on it, probably for something I was entertaining. That is the settee that I built from scratch, start to finish. The whole construction of it I built by myself. This is an area in the basement, and that is a DIY coffee table that, again, I built from scratch using Dollar Tree mirrors as well. This was another large table that I built for upstairs use. It was actually being made right then and there, which is why you see the blue tape on it. Here I put two identical chests side by side mirrored to create a TV console, and I raised them as well for height. This is how I raised it from the bottom piece up where you see the circles. That part down is what I added to lift it up to meet the TV. This was what you saw as my original girl cave, and then I turned it into a guest bedroom downstairs in the basement. That whole unit right there I built for the purposes of the kids keeping toys and blankets and whatnot inside. Here's another coffee table that I built from scratch as well when I was going with the whole farmhouse, more casual look back at the house. Here's a shot of the master bedroom back at the house when I changed the colors to a more lighter color scheme at that time. This is just a shot from in the living room area where I was using the gold as well as the blue that you can see on the bottom trim of the wall there.